Tired of throwing away spoiled food and wasting money? The FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 vacuum sealer is your ultimate solution for locking in freshness and extending the shelf life of your favorite foods. Imagine preserving meat for up to 3 years without freezer burn, or keeping leftovers fresh for weeks instead of days. This powerful kitchen gadget makes it possible. With automatic bag detection and moisture sensing, the V4400 takes the guesswork out of vacuum sealing, ensuring airtight protection every time. Its built-in roll storage and cutter let you create custom-sized bags, while the handheld sealer works effortlessly with containers and zipper bags. Plus, it's durable, easy to clean, and backed by a 5-year warranty. Whether you're meal prepping, storing bulk groceries, or saving seasonal produce, the FoodSaver V4400 helps you save money and reduce waste. Ready to revolutionize your kitchen? Let's dive into how this game-changing sealer works. Overview. What is the FoodSaver V4400? The FoodSaver V4400 is a 2-in-1 vacuum sealing system that combines automatic vacuum sealing with a built-in handheld unit for zipper bags and containers. Made by FoodSaver, a trusted name in food preservation, the V4400 model is all about versatility, smart automation, and reliable performance. It features automatic bag detection, moisture sensing, LED indicator lights, and a starter kit that lets you begin sealing right out of the box. Built from durable plastic with a sleek silver and black finish, the V4400 is a countertop appliance designed for everyday use. Its dimensions, 11-inch length by 20-inch width by 12-inch height, and 10-pound weight mean it's sturdy without being too bulky. Whether you're freezing bulk meats, storing leftovers, or prepping ingredients for sous vide cooking, the V4400 is engineered to make the process effortless and consistent. Key features and benefits. Automatic bag detection. This is one of the V4400's signature features. Simply insert a vacuum bag into the chamber, and the machine automatically detects it, vacuums out the air, and seals the bag in one smooth motion. This automation eliminates user error and speeds up the sealing process. No more guessing when to press a button. 2-in-1 sealing with handheld convenience. Not only does it work with standard heat seal bags, but the V4400 also includes a retractable handheld sealer that works with FoodSaver's zipper bags and containers and bottle stoppers. This handheld unit is ideal for short-term storage in the fridge or pantry and doesn't require any additional tools or accessories. Smart moisture detection. Different foods have different sealing needs. Juicy meats, for example, require a different approach than dry goods. The V4400 uses smart moisture detection technology to automatically switch sealing modes based on the type of food, ensuring the seal is always airtight and secure. Built-in roll storage and cutter. This vacuum sealer features built-in storage for vacuum roll bags, along with an integrated cutter, so you can customize the size of your bags without needing scissors. It's a small but important feature that adds significant convenience, especially for bulk meal prepping. Removable drip tray. Dealing with moisture is no issue thanks to the patented removable drip tray, which catches any overflow during the sealing process. Better yet, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Strong and reliable seals. The FoodSaver V4400 is designed to create a powerful vacuum and airtight seal. This guarantees long-term freshness and freezer burn-free storage. According to FoodSaver, meat stored using this system can last up to 3 years in the freezer without losing its flavor or quality. Safety certified. All FoodSaver appliances, including the V4400, are ETL or UL certified for compliance with safety standards by nationally recognized test labs. It's reassuring to know you're using a product that's been thoroughly vetted for safe operation. Starter Kit. What's in the box? The FoodSaver V4400 comes with everything you need to get started. 1.13 times 10-foot vacuum seal roll, 3 times 1-quart vacuum seal bags, 2 times 1-gallon vacuum seal bags, 3 times 1-quart zipper bags, 2 times 1-gallon zipper bags. This starter kit is generous compared to other vacuum sealers and gives you a good mix of bag types for experimenting with various food storage needs right away. Versatility and compatibility. The V4400 works with 8-inch and 11-inch FoodSaver vacuum seal rolls, pre-made FoodSaver vacuum seal bags, FoodSaver zipper bags, FoodSaver fresh containers, and optional accessories like mason jar sealers and bottle stoppers. This broad compatibility means you can scale up your food preservation methods over time. For example, you can use the mason jar sealers to vacuum seal dry goods like flour or coffee, or use bottle stoppers to preserve open bottles of wine or infused oils. User experience. Simple, yet powerful. Even if you're new to vacuum sealing, the FoodSaver V4400 makes the process easy. The LED indicator lights walk you through each step of sealing. The controls are clearly marked and intuitive, and the overall operation is smooth and quiet compared to lower-end models. It also feels solid and well-constructed, and with 800 watts of power, it performs quickly and efficiently. Thanks to its 5-year limited warranty, you can also trust that the investment is protected in the long term. Real-world applications. Whether you're a home chef or a busy parent, the V4400 can simplify and improve your kitchen routine. Batch cooking, prepare meals in advance and store them in portion-sized bags. Freezing bulk meat, buy meat in bulk to save money, vacuum seal it, and freeze it for later. Sous vide cooking. Use the sealed bags in sous vide water baths for precision cooking. Preserving fresh produce. Extend the shelf life of fruits and vegetables by sealing and refrigerating them. Storing leftovers. Keep yesterday's dinner fresh for days longer than standard containers. Pros and cons. Pros: fully automatic bag detection and sealing. Moisture detection with automatic adjustment. Built-in handheld vacuum for zipper bags and containers. Roll storage and bag cutter for custom sizes. Removable dishwasher-safe drip tray. ETL UL certified for safety. Works with many FoodSaver accessories. 5-year warranty for peace of mind. Over 10,000 positive customer reviews, 4.6 out of 5 stars. Cons: larger footprint may not suit compact kitchens. Slightly heavier than entry-level models, 10 pounds. Mason jar sealers and bottle stoppers not included. Premium pricing compared to basic vacuum sealers. Final verdict: is the FoodSaver V4400 worth it? If you're serious about preserving food and want a reliable, high-quality appliance that's both easy to use and packed with smart features, the FoodSaver V4400 2-in-1 vacuum sealer is an excellent choice. From its automatic bag detection to its built-in handheld sealer, this model covers a wide range of sealing needs and does so with consistent, professional quality results.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the product review channel for more videos.